Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video you can see that we're gonna make the horizontal scrolling using this plugin animation add-ons. So you can see that. Let me show the demonstration of the things which we're gonna make in this video. So you can see that here we have the horizontal scrolling. So let me refresh this page once, and after refreshing this page you can see we have this horizontal scrolling. So when we scroll the page you can see we have the section 1, and when we scroll then you can see that we have this section 2 in this horizontal scroll. Then again we have this section 3, and then we have the section 4, and when the section 4 ends our page will scroll below. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make this type of horizontal scrolling by using the animation add-on plugin. Okay, so you can see that we are using this animation add-on plugin. So here we have the animation add-on. Here we have all of the starter templates, all of this information. You can check it out. All of these features are there: image reveal on hover, cursor effect, horizontal scrolling, cursor move effect. Okay, so you can check it out their websites. So I already make some videos on this. I have explained what are the features are coming from the free version, and what are the features are coming and are coming from the pro of the plugin. Okay, so you can check what things we can make by using this plugin. So let me show some demonstration of this plugin. So you can see here we have the animation plugin like this. So when you scroll, these are the pin elements. So you can see you can make this type of animations. Then here also we have some starter templates. So you can check it out all of the starter template by clicking on this view demo. So you can check it out all of these demos here. So you can see we have this type of demos. So you can see we have this type of demos. So this type of website you can make. So right now it is I have so many animations. I think you can see so many things are working at one. You can see this is very looking good. Okay, so you have so you can check this type of animation especially in some Wix website, but you can make this type of animation by using this animation add-on plugin. Okay, now let's start the video. Show you how to make this type of sections wise animation. Okay, one by one. So let's make this horizontal. Also it will work when you go upwards like this, you can see. So let's start making this. So I'm gonna make a new page. I'm gonna start from scratch. So let me add a new page here. Okay, I will show you from scratch how to make this. Okay, let's make this. So let's add a new page. So let me name this page like horizontal scroll. Here we have the default template. Let's choose Elementor full width, and let's publish this. Okay, then after that let me click on this add with Elementor. Okay, then I will show you how to make. Let me close this. So you can see when I scroll below, then this section will scroll. So I'm going to show you how to make this section wise scrolling. Let me open the. Okay, so now let's add a new container. Okay, so this container will hold our heading. So let me add this. Here we can add a heading. So let's search for the heading. Okay, so let me add this. Here we can change the name: horizontal scrolling using animation add-ons. Okay, and here we can just increase the size. Okay, here let's add some 80 pixel to the top, 80 pixel to the bottom like this. Now let's add one more container. Okay, so this is the main box. So let's set this box to the full width. Okay, and let's remove all the extra margins and paddings. Then after that, inside this we will add some more containers. So let's add this. So let's name this section 1. Let's make this also full width. Let's give some height 400. Let's remove the padding and margin. Let's give some color so we know. Okay, let's give the height more like 500. Okay, now let's add some heading. Okay, let's keep everything in the center. and here we can write section 1. So you can scroll any widget if you want. Suppose let's start with this section 1. Let's add an image inside this, like this. We can choose any random image. Let's choose this. Okay, let me change the width of this like this. Okay, so this is our section 1. Let's add some padding also if you want. 80. Okay, we don't want to add the padding here. Let's add the padding in this section 1. 80 and 80. Okay, now let's duplicate this. We can duplicate this 4 times. Let's duplicate this 5 times, and let's rename this section 2, section 3, section 4, and section 5. Okay, then we have this. Let's change the colors. So this is the section 2, and inside this you can use any widget. Let's use just a very different. Let's use the advanced testimonial. Okay, so you can use this testimonial also. Here you can add the content. Let's add some image. Okay, so I'm just showing you that you can use any widget in this, and you can scroll any widget. Okay, so you can see. Let's have this section 3. Okay, here also we can change its color. Okay, let's change this color to like blue. Okay, and here we can add some different widget, like we can use video. Okay, we can use this video. Okay, so you can see here we can make the sizing of this 1 by 1, 16 by 9. Okay, like this, 9 by 16. So many. Okay, we can also click on this advanced. Here we can go. Here we can change the size like this. Okay, let's go to section 4. Here we can use some more. Here we can use gallery. Let's use some gallery. Okay, let's use this gallery only. Okay, here we can add some photos. So I'm just showing that you can use any widget in horizontal scrolling. That's why I am just showing this. Okay, here we can make this 3, 2. Okay, let's use this. Okay, like this, 2. Let's use the 4 only. Okay, then we have the section 5. Here also we can change the color. Okay, so let's change the color of this section 4 also. Let's change this purple color, and similarly we can just rename this section 5. Okay, now let's publish. Now after publishing, if I open this view page, so let's open this view page. Okay, open this. Let's see. So right now you can see that horizontal scrolling will not work. So we have all the sections below 1 by 1. Okay, now let's see how to make this. So now you can see we have this type of layout. There we have section 2, section 3, section 4. We can close this, section 5. Here we have the main box. Okay, so this is the main box. So we can go to this advanced. Also noted that this full width is required. Okay, so you have to keep the full width. Then you can see we have this horizontal scroll. It is also saying please use full width container to work properly. Then we can set this yes. Okay, so now you can see that we have 5 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why we will use here 500. Okay, 100 for 1, and this is the time. Suppose if I give 2000, so this is the 2 seconds, so the scroll will be slow. If you want to make it more slow, you can do that 3000. Okay, so this is just a time in seconds. Let's kill a 2000. Okay, now let's publish. Now let's see the magic, baby. Now let's go here. Now you can see if I scroll below, you can see this is coming section 1, then section 2, then section 3, then we have section 4 and section 5. So section 5 is not coming full because also what we can do, we can just keep some margin to the top, and for this let's remove this. Okay, now let's add one more container after that. When all this ends this, let's give some random colors, and here we have the VH option, and here we can give the 100 VH. Okay, now let's see. There we can go to horizontal scroll, and here you can see this will start scrolling now. Section 3, section 4, and then we have the section 5, and then the scrolling will continue. Now if I go to the top, you can see this is still coming, this is scrolling, and now the section 1 is coming. Okay, so in this way you can make this type of horizontal scrolling using the animation add-on plugin. Okay, so you can check it out, this plugin. This is in the pro version. You can check it out their official website for the pricing. Okay, you can just you can see this we have just made, and here you can see all of the pricing plans are there, annual and lifetime. So you can check it out, all of these plans are there, 1 site, 5 site, 10 site, annually and lifetime also. Okay, so I hope you understand how to make this type of horizontal scrolling by using the animation add-on plugin, which is a very good plugin. I really like this plugin. I already have this pro version. Okay, so I hope you like this type of videos. If you are new to our channel, like and share our videos with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see you next time.